Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play trombone for beginners. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Sorry about that, I just kicked the stool, but it's no big deal. I'm going to move it underneath the vanity, and we're going to move on with this video. This is a trombone. Well, this is part of a trombone. Right now, it looks like part of a trombone. There are essentially three things that you need to play the trombone. Really easy to do. To be honest with you, this is one of the easier instruments to play. Harder instruments to absolutely be the master of, but easier instruments to learn how to play, okay? So essentially you have the part here with the bell, okay? And then you have the slider portion over here, okay? Now your slider will likely lock. Mine doesn't, but your slider will likely have a lock. This lock no longer works. You want to place, there's a threaded portion. So you can see there's a part that spins right over here and a threaded portion over here. You're going to match those two up. So place one tube inside of the other. Whoa, I hit the ceiling over here. It's a low ceiling. I'm in my basement bathroom. So I think it's only a 7-foot ceiling, maybe a slightly less than 7 feet. Yeah, this is probably like 6.5 feet when we had built it down. Anyways, with that aside, I'm going to try and avoid scratching the ceiling. I don't want to touch up too much paint for these videos. But essentially you're going to slide one of the tubes inside of the other, just like this. So one tube goes in the other, just like that. Then you're going to take this little spinny thing, I'm not even sure what it's called, and you're going to tighten it onto the piece. And when you tighten it onto the piece, it's going to hold the two portions together. So I'm tightening it onto the piece. You don't want it to be super tight, just tight enough to hold it in place, but you want to be able to rotate this if you need to. So don't make it super tight, just make it tight enough, okay? So we've already assembled the first portion. Now on your slider, there's going to be an open hole. You take your mouthpiece like this, and you place it in the open hole. Done. You've now assembled your trombone. Really easy to do. Okay, now how to hold it. Essentially, you want to place it over your left shoulder, okay? Open it up a bit like this, and your thumb is going to go through this bar that is on between the bell and this bar. So between the bell and this other tube, your thumb goes through there like that. Okay, you have these 4 fingers free. Then you're going to take your 3 lower fingers, so your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky finger. They're going to go across this bar, not the slider, but this stationary bar vertical over here. And then your index is just going to sort of be resting up here to help guide this. That's how to hold it. And then the slider, use your right hand to slide it, use whatever fingers or grip you want. Place it on your shoulder. The weight should be resting on your shoulder, okay? Now, how do you make sounds? Well, say, okay, go, Tighten your lips a little bit, tighten them, and then exhale. So, tighten them up, and then exhale. And make a buzzing sound. Okay, now do that in the mouthpiece. Literally, that's it. You're playing the trombone. Now, you notice how those are 2 different sounds, but I didn't move the slider. If you tighten your lips, you're going to get a higher sound. If you loosen your lips, you're going to get a lower sound. So loosen your lips. Very low sound. Tighten them up. A little bit of a higher sound. Tighten them up even more. Higher sound, and then even more. And then you can do fun little tricks like making a growling sound. Right? Which is kind of like you're rolling your R when you're playing the trombone. So play and then just go inside your mouth. And you get that growl sound, the raspiness. Sounds absolutely awesome. Now, how do you play different notes aside from, differentiating your embouchure, which is your lip movement on the mouthpiece? You slide this thing in and out, okay? Like this. Just like that. My lips did not move. The only thing that moved was the slider bar. Very simple, okay? Now there are different positions on the slider bar. Right here, when you bring it all the way towards you, that's position number 1, okay? Position number 3 is when you get this vertical bar and you put it in line with the tip of the bell. That's position 3, okay? Position 2 is in between those 2 options. Right in between, basically. So 1, 3, 2. And I use my finger to line it up as you saw right there. So 1 is at the beginning, 3 is lined up with the bell over here, and then 2 is in the middle. 4 is slightly past the bell, which is when basically this guard over here just goes slightly past the bell. So take the guard, line it up slightly past the bell. That's position number 4. 6 is basically if you extend your arm all the way out, roughly. If you are average height like me, I'm about 5'7.5", 5'8" on a good day. If I'm wearing a nice pair of shoes, maybe 5'8.5". You know, anyways, enough about me trying to make me seem like I'm taller than I am. You know, it's basically extend your arm out all the way. As a rule of thumb, for position 6, there's a little notch on the inside of the slider. If you line up your guard with that notch, which is the guard is this piece here, not the slider bar, okay? But the guard is a piece right over here. If you line that up with the notch, that's about position number 6. And then 5 is going to be between 4 and 6. So you have 4 over here, 6 over here, 5 is roughly in the middle. That's it. You can play different notes. So I'll start really low and I'll go higher. And you can slide it like this. Very, very cool. Really, really easy instrument to learn how to play. Like I said, it's hard to master, but easy to learn how to play. If you want to be an advanced player, it will take quite a bit of time because it's not like a trumpet where there's valves, although there are valved trombones, believe it or not. But it's not like a trumpet, and comment below if you knew that, because it's a cool fact. But it's not like a trumpet where there's valves. You have to learn to estimate properly with precision with regards to the positioning. But really easy to learn how to play just because like you blow into the mouthpiece, you make a sound, and you just slide it around. That's basically it. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial on how to play a trombone for beginners, a full tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.